Hello. In my farming course called Pathways to Farming, there will be 6 steps that will each include assessments that are designed to elicit instructions either from the individual students, their peers, or the course instructor. These assessments will enable students to better know themselves, set goals for the future, and crowdsource through peer interactions. I'm doing this to increase innovation, communication, collaboration, and creativity towards the building of purposeful experiences to help each student achieve their own personal goals. Now, this is designed with the goal of increasing transferability of what they're learning on farm and in the classroom to the real world. There is such a strong focus on peer interactions, and this is because it diversifies the individual's experience in which those students can be learning. This will provide multiple contexts, which should enhance their understanding and ability to solve similar problems as they are encountered in the in a real farming situation after they leave the classroom. To do this, so I've got the Pathways to Farming course, and we start off with an introduction to the program. It talks about what they're going to be getting and how they're going to be, what types of services are available to them. So they're going to be given a farm. They're going to be giving some equipment. They're going to be they're going to have professional assistants such as farm planning, business management, transition planning. So right off the get, I want them to reflect and share. This is so that they can get information to their peers, so they can get some quality feedback to them. So they're going to start off with an introduction, their name, background, experience, plans, and what they'd like to be doing, and then also some motivation. So state that they're excited for other people to help, and then also that there's a point system that's going to help motivate the other students to comment faster. Second part is, what do they already know? So this is going to be knowledge, skills, and abilities, and it's a whole list of things. And they can add to this, state where they're at right now, where they'd like to be in the future, and how they're going to get there. They're going to be giving this to their peers so that they can have an idea of what to do. Once the peers get it, they're going to be suggesting how they could get there for each of these. As they go through each of the reiterations of this, because they're going to be doing this week by week, I want them to write down 3 new experiences that they could be adding to the knowledge, skills, and abilities, and how they're going to get there. What experiences are going to help them get there, and how are they going to implement these suggestions on farm. So they're going to be given this farm plot and also hoop house and some storage facilities. So for each of these different things, how would they actually see this implemented on our farming facility? And then how do you expect these experiences will change their peers' perspective and get them closer to their stated original goals? To help clarify, there's basically going to be a Google Hangout, and so their students will be on this list to the right, and they can basically chat about that and get a little bit more detail. And then finally, the students are going to self-reflect. So they're either going to try the experiences that somebody else had given them, or maybe their own. For each of the experiences, how do they do towards helping them master their own career goals, their life goals, their educational goals. And then also, I wanted them to look at the process here, and how this collaborative effort help them innovate, communicate, collaborate, create to build these experiences. And then what would they change to differently next time? And then next time, the following week, they would basically be going through this process again and getting better over the course of time. Alright. Thank you, and this is my Pathways to Farming assessment course.